In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva's Magic Grab tool to effortlessly manipulate images and change backgrounds. Let's dive right in so you can see just how simple and effective this tool can be for adding a creative touch to your designs. To kick things off, open Canva on your browser or desktop application. If you're not already familiar, Canva is a versatile graphic design platform that's great for a wide variety of projects, from social media posts to flyers and presentations. Once you're in Canva, look towards the left side of the interface where you'll find the Uploads tab. This is where you have the option to upload your own images and media files, which is crucial for the task at hand. Go ahead and click on Uploads. This action will bring you to a screen where you can select the image file you'd like to work with. It's as easy as choosing a file from your computer or device, and Canva will automatically upload it to your library. The process is as simple as it sounds, and before you know it, your image will be ready to edit. After uploading your image, the next step is to adjust it to your liking within Canva's editing workspace. You can resize it, rotate it, or even tweak its position to fit your vision. Take a moment to ensure everything looks just right before proceeding to the next steps. Adjustments here set the stage for applying the Magic Grab tool effectively. Now, let's talk about the Magic Grab tool itself. Click on Edit Image above your selected image. In the search bar that appears, type Magic Grab. Once found, this tool is incredibly useful because it allows you to isolate and manipulate certain elements of your image with precision. You no longer have to worry about complex editing. Magic Grab simplifies the process. Select your image by clicking on it. Then, click on Grab, located on the right side of the tool options. This is where the fun begins. Magic Grab intuitively selects the main subject of your image, allowing you to move it around the canvas. It's practically like selecting and dragging, and you're done. With the subject now free to move, you have the opportunity to change the background to whatever suits your creative needs. Perhaps you want to replace it with a solid color, a pattern, or even another image. Whatever you decide, the magic of this tool is that you're in control. Once satisfied with your adjustments, step back and admire your work. Using Canva's Magic Grab, you've just added a professional touch to your design in just a few easy steps. This process might seem straightforward, but its impact can dramatically improve the quality of your designs. Keep practicing, and you'll become even more proficient with each project. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing!